Yes.
Also realized, because it taught me from Jamaica, I realized that there's so many Jamaicans who have African names.
Yes.
Like Caesar Kalonji.
You know Caesar
I know
Kalonji?
Caesar Kalonji.
What do you know about Caesar Kalonji?
Come on, I know most of his songs. Caesar Kalonji. Kalonji means also it's beauty.
Yeah.
It's beauty.
I didn't know that.
That's in Luganda.
So what Caesar Kalonji song do you know?
Caesar Kalonji, there is this new one. There is this one he was on the album with DJ Khaled.
DJ Khaled.
Yeah, I know so many songs, but old songs.
Did you know he just had his concert in Jamaica last weekend?
I follow him on his Instagram. Yeah. Also, this guy.
Can I put you on the spot? Kabaka Pyramid.
Yeah.
Can I put you on the spot for a moment?
For sure.
You gotta sing me one of Sizzler's. Yeah.
There you go.
All right. Yeah, can I make it easy for you?
I will fail for sure, but I'm not good. I'm not good at singing.
This is not a singing contest. You can just say the word.
Yeah,
Do you know Dry Cry?
I know Dry Cry.
Just say the word.
But I would be lying. I don't know the lyrics.
Dry cry, even tears, even my heart cries, but who cares?
Yeah.
Whose fault's no one but myself. Things do happen, words can't explain. Only you, I can't sing either. But my brother.
Caesar Kalonji, that's a Ugandan name. Kabaka. Kabaka means king in Luganda.
King Pyramid.
Kabaka King Pyramid. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Exactly.
Yeah.
There's so many Jamaicans they have African names. I was like, okay.
You know something about Jamaican?
Yeah.
They love Africa.
Definitely.
They look to Africa as the motherland.